Artificial intelligence technologies like ChatGPT and DALL-E are made as user-friendly as possible so that anybody, including beginners, may use them. For individuals with only a cursory understanding of artificial intelligence, we will examine 5 easy strategies to profit from machine learning in this part. It's significant to note that most of these strategies call for you to have a website. Fortunately, using Hostinger Website Builder to create one is simple. You can create a great website with only a few clicks thanks to the tool's usage of AI while continuing to work on your side businesses. Online income generation through content monetization is common. The 2 most well-liked ways to achieve this are to publish sponsored social media posts and include adverts on your blog content. To earn a consistent source of revenue, you must frequently provide original and interesting material. Your brainstorming, research, and writing processes can be improved with AI-based solutions. For instance, programs like Jasper may create material for a blog post, an Instagram caption, or a YouTube screenplay, among other forms. All you have to do to get the tool to create the text is enter a detailed question. Jasper can renew the material to your tastes if you don't like it. Additionally, you may include visual components in your blog entries by employing AI-generated artwork from websites like DALL-E. This is an excellent option if you don't have the money to hire a professional artist but need a quick illustration. But remember that human editing and monitoring are still necessary for AI-generated material. Use AI to create personalized content for your audience. AI can be used to analyze your website traffic and social media data to identify your target audience. Once you know who you're targeting, you can use AI to create content that is specifically tailored to their interests. This will help you to increase engagement and conversions. Use AI to automate your marketing tasks. AI can be used to automate a variety of marketing tasks, such as sending email newsletters, scheduling social media posts, and managing customer relationships. This will free up your time so that you can focus on other aspects of your business. Use AI to improve your customer service. AI can be used to answer customer questions, resolve issues, and provide support. This can help you to improve your customer satisfaction and loyalty. Use AI to innovate your business. AI can be used to develop new products and services, improve your business processes, and find new ways to reach your target audience. This can help you to stay ahead of the competition and grow your business. It is important to note that AI is still a developing technology, and there are some limitations to its use. For example, AI-generated content may not always be accurate or original. It is important to use AI tools in conjunction with human judgment and creativity to ensure that your content is high quality. Overall, AI can be a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. By using AI to automate tasks, personalize content, and improve customer service, businesses can save time and money, improve efficiency, and grow their businesses. I appreciate you watched this video. Please support me by clicking the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing this video with your friends and beloved ones. This encourages me to create more useful and potentially life-changing videos.